All right, so let's talk about affiliate marketing, right? And how you can actually make money for free with affiliate marketing. I'm really talking about high ticket affiliate marketing where you could make commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale, even without you doing any of the promoting yourself. Is that not powerful? That's powerful. And why is it possible? Because when you join our team, okay, we are going to promote your link for you. Completely, right? We are going to keep sending traffic consistently to your link so that you will be able to get leads, and those leads can now convert to sales and you make money even without you lifting a finger. That is powerful, right? So that's what we're doing. Now, let me tell you something, right? It doesn't matter what online business you are doing. If a lot of people are not seeing your link or your website link, you are not going to make any money. It doesn't matter what kind of online business it is. That's why it's all about traffic, right? But that is where the problem is, isn't it? So many people cannot get traffic, right? I see so many people, they join an online business and they try their best. They make some posts on Facebook. They try to post on TikTok. They try to post on all these places, but they are not getting traffic. And once they are not getting traffic, their chances of making sales literally just goes away. It doesn't really matter what it is. And look, now you'll be asking, why don't you get, why is it that nobody helps you out with traffic? Now, the reason is simple. Traffic is very expensive. Look, like I tell you, I don't care how much you spend on the business you join. Because a lot of people think that because they spend a certain amount of money on their business, that's it. That's not the most expensive part of your business. The most expensive part of your business is traffic, because you are going to always need traffic forever. So it depends on how you want to do it. Do you want to do it for free, where you post ads on Facebook, YouTube, or TikTok, or do you want to buy traffic where you spend thousands of dollars like I have spent over time? There is no amount of money you spend on traffic that is too much and that is enough. That is crazy, right? As long as you remain in the online business, you are going to keep spending thousands of dollars on traffic. Even if you are spending $50 or $100 at a time, by the time you spend like 4 years, 5 years like I have done, you would have spent some real, I won't tell you the amount, it will scare you. So that is the problem with traffic, right? No matter how you look at it, it's expensive. If you look at it from the free methods, it's slow. You are not getting where you want to get, right? But just think about this right now. We are going to promote your link for you for free. Is it not amazing? So you are not going to be thinking about how do I get traffic. Maybe you think about how do I get more traffic. I can understand that, right? Because, you know, this is a rotator traffic. It's for everybody in the team, right? But we keep increasing the number of traffic that we buy, the number of traffic that we create, because we create like, I'm live right now. That means I'm creating traffic, right? I'm also going to post it on YouTube. I'm going to post it on TikTok. So I'm creating a lot of traffic from all these sites, right? Now, so that means that I'm using both free traffic and paid traffic. And look, I am ready immediately to give you that traffic for free. It's crazy, isn't it? You know, so that is powerful. What we are able to do in our team. Okay, look, if you are ready to get started with our team right now, there's a link in the description above, and there's also a link in my profile. Any of those links leads you to the team builder system, because you have to be a team builder first before you can join our team. Because listen, right? This traffic rotator system is called TeamBuilders free traffic rotator system. So there is no way you can join us if you are not a team builder. And secondly, there is no way you can join me, my team, if you do not go through my link, right? Now let's talk about my link. Now, for you to go through my link, I've posted it up here in the description, and also you can always get it from my, what do you call it right now? You can always get it from my, profile, right? Now, what you really need to do is for you to make sure you are using a brand new email address if you are going to be on my team. That's all I'm going to suggest for you, right? You want to make sure you are using a brand new email address to sign up under my link. Because you want to make sure you get to you want to be in my team, okay? Because if you are not in my team, there's no way we are going to give you our traffic for free. It's not going to happen, right? Now let's continue to talk about this super team build system that I'm offering you right now to be part of, right? Now with this team build, we have a lot of traffic for our team members only. Now, once you join our team, all you need to do is for you to just give me your link, right? That's all, okay? So when you become a team builder, your whole website will be set up for you, and they are going to give you a link. So what you quickly do, you come to me, Victor, I have joined your team in the team builders, which is easy for me to confirm because I just need to go to the back office and then I will know that your name is there, right? And once I see your name there, okay, that's fine. And I notice that you have paid your fee, which is a one-time setup fee, right? You pay your one-time setup fee, and that is all. There is no monthly fees with the team builder system. So once you've paid your fee to the team builders system, okay, you are going to appear in my back office as coming through my link. Then what happens with team builders, they will set up everything for you, and then they will give you your link, right? So what you do, you quickly send that link to me. That's all, right? Now, once you send the link to me, I'm going to add it to our traffic rotator system, and then we are going to start sending traffic to your link almost immediately, right? And then now, what's the benefit of that? Now, by us sending you traffic for free, you're not going to pay us anything to send you the traffic. The only thing you have done is that you have become a team builder under my link. That's all you did. And that's the courtesy I'm giving you, that I am now going to take charge of sending traffic to your link. And then naturally, you know what that means, right? So that means that you are going to now start seeing leads come to your own back office, right? And hopefully some of those leads are going to convert to sale and you start seeing money, right? For one, I'm not guaranteeing anybody any sale, right? Because I'm not God, so I can't guarantee you sale. But we have seen that it's working. I'm getting sales. You can check you can check my profile, and you can see that some of my other team members are also getting sales. So that means it's working, right? Even though by every way we cannot guarantee you that, because that will go against FTC rule, that will go against even my own morality or whatever, because I'm not God, right? And I'm not in the pocket of the buyer. So, but let's stop talking about those parts, even though it's important that you know it, that is not, I can't guarantee that. But what I guarantee is that you're going to get traffic. and you're going to get leads, and we are going to consistently keep promoting your link for you. Now with the team builder system itself, right? This makes this 100% complete done for you system, right? Do you imagine that? When I say 100%, that means technically you may not even want to do anything, which we don't recommend. It's always good for you to get more traffic, because like I said, the more traffic you get, the more your chance of making more money, because this is a numbers game, right? The whole thing is a numbers game. Now, the reason why you've been failing is because you have not been pushing in enough traffic, right? So we are now helping you to push in consistent traffic every day to your link. So that increases your chances of succeeding online, making money online, especially with the TeamBuilders system, which we feel is the best system for what we are offering right now. And the TeamBuilders system is a 90% done for you system. You see how beautiful it is. So we are doing the 10% for you. The TeamBuilders system is doing the 90% for you. Now, what does the TeamBuilders system do for you, right? Now, for one, they give you the opportunity to earn high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,000 per sale. And look, when you become a team builder, which you are going to notice, you don't need any technical skill, right? So this is perfect for brand new beginners who have been hoping that this is an opportunity to earn high ticket commissions, right? So now, because you don't need any technical skill, everything was set up. When I joined TeamBuilders, they set up everything completely for me, and they just give me my link. So this is amazing. So that is the same thing they are going to do for you when you join TeamBuilders, right? Now, they will set up everything for you and give you your link. And remember, I said that link is all I want from you. Once you have set up everything with TeamBuilders and you have gotten your link, then you send that link to me and I start doing the Joe man job of sending you traffic for free, guys. This is powerful. Now, this is amazing, right? Now, you don't need to get any traffic if you don't want to, right? But I highly recommend you get more. The more, the merrier, because that's it. Why am I saying that? Because already I'm going to send traffic to your link. So you don't really need to do any promotion if you don't want to. Why? Because I'm promoting already for you. And not only me, my team is doing that also. Now, there is no need of recruiting, right? You don't have to come and say, Victor, I don't know how to recruit, which is what I hear every time, because everything is done for you. I send the traffic, build your leads, the team builder system takes over. They work on your lead. They do all the follow-up for you. They follow up with your leads, invite them to webinars. They get them different form of training. Like right now, they are doing Facebook training to the leads. They train your leads, and then they have this phone call team that calls your lead and close high ticket. This is just amazing, right? So with this system, you don't need to recruit anybody, right? You don't need to sell anything, because everything, you once everything is done for you. That's just where I'm going with it. You don't need to have any experience, because a lot of people say, I don't have an experience. Look, you can take all the time in the world to learn, to get your experience, because we are going to send the traffic for you. So you can now take that time out to really learn how to build your online business. Like with the team builder system, what I can tell you is this: there is no monthly fees, okay? So it's a one-time setup fee. You go ahead, get your account set up, then just all I want from you, you send your link to me. Now, this is worldwide, so everybody in the world can be part of the Team Builders system. So that makes it easy for you to join our team and get our free traffic. So it doesn't really matter where you are in the world, guys. This is awesome. Now, before I go away, let me quickly just tell you a little bit about what you get with TeamBuilders, right? Now, when you become a team builder, the beautiful thing is you are now with a high ticket system that pays you high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,000 per sale. Imagine if that starts coming into your pocket, how much that adds up very fast. Now, apart from that, right, the wonderful thing is that you are going to earn 200% commissions on mega link sales, right? Look, this is awesome. And that's why in our in our traffic rotator, we always ask for your mega link, right? Because we want you to earn those easy 200% commissions, right? So you are going to get in 200% commissions on front end mega link sale. But that's not all. You're also going to earn 200% second tier commissions of front end mega link sale. You see, just like I told you, we send the traffic to your link for free, and then we build your team for you. Now, whenever any of your team members decide to sell the mega link, right? And most of them do that, right? So whenever they sell mega link, you make second tier commissions, 200% commission. Imagine that. So you are earning commissions whether your team members buy or they sell. It's crazy. And even if they buy anything in the system, you still make money. And I tell you, the TeamBuilders system has so many products and so many people love them and they are buying them. So if your team members that we built for you, now whether they sell anything in the system or they buy anything in the system, you still make money. This is crazy. This is unheard of. I've not seen it anywhere in the high ticket system anywhere. It's crazy, right? So this is awesome. So if you are ready to join our team where you get free traffic from us, you know, so what you want to do, like I said, go to the link in the description above or to my profile. Make sure you are using a brand new email address. It's very important because you want to make sure you fall under my team, because we have so many team builders, right? That's why we call it team builders. All right, so you want to make sure you are in my team. So make sure you are using a brand new email address and you click that link in the description above, or you go ahead to my profile, click the link. And now if you have questions about TeamBuilders, about our traffic rotator, you can always privately DM me, right? All right, guys. So that is it. If you like this video or you think it's beneficial to you, go ahead, click the like button and also click the share button. All right. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.